Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your character ragdoll. This will just get the player to ragdoll. We won't be creating any logic to respawn us. It will just reopen the level. But let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into it. So firstly, navigate to your character blueprint. Now, I'm not going to create an input action for this because you can actually do it when you take damage or when your health reaches 0, or when you just collide with something. So what we're going to do for just this episode is we're just going to do like a simple press key. So I'm just going to search keyboard events and then just press R because that's the one I'm going to use for this. Like I said, you can use other methods to trigger this, but for me, just for now, we're just going to do R. Now, first thing you actually want to do is you want to grab your character mesh up in the top left, drag that on just so you can get it. I'll put it down here for now, and then drag off of the pin and just search set collision enabled, if you can spell collision unlike me, and then just on pressed just do that. Now we need a new type, so for us what we're going to do, we're going to click on it and we're going to go collision enabled query and physics. This will basically just enable everything. And next thing we want to do, drag off the execution pin and just search set simulate physics, and that will get this node. Now we actually need a target, so the target will actually be the mesh, just like so, just there. So then it'll look a bit like this unless you've organized yours a bit different, but it should work as long as things are connected. Now for the next node, it's quite simple. We need to disable movement. We don't want the character running about and wiggling about, but once you can search disable movement, make sure it's got in brackets character movement. If not, if you can't find it, then just drag off of character movement and then just search disable movement and it will just be the same exact thing. Right, now once we've done that, we actually want to make some logic. This is the logic to ragdoll. If you want to just have it where you just lay ragdoll forever, then that's fine. You don't need to do this bit, but I'm going to do it just so we can show it. So we're going to add a delay, and we'll add this delay for 5 seconds. So after we disable the movement and set all the physics, we're just going to, on completed, after 5 seconds, we're going to open level. This will just open up the level that we want to go back to or wherever. So if you've got a game where you're a dungeon crawler, then all you need to do is type in the level name that you're starting back at. So for me, it's third person map. You can see it up here in this massive scene here. If you go to this bit, you can see what your level is, or you can head over to third person or wherever your character thing is and just see the level, and that's the name. So for me, it is third person map. So type it exact. It is case sensitive. So just be warned, if you do one character out of line, then it will not work. But guys, that is everything for this. So once you're in the game, if you press R, so let's just, I don't know, go up here, jump, and there you go. You can still move the camera about, but obviously it moves with the head from how I made it in my other tutorial. But that is how you make a ragdoll. Obviously, like I said, you can make other functionality with this. You can make it so when you make contact with something, it causes this, or some other thing like tripping over a rock maybe. But there's many possibilities like everything else in Unreal Engine. But guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy and I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to support me further, you can head over to my Patreon where you can get content files from any of the projects I work on this channel. But guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing